Hi, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to install a virtual machine and how to install Windows. You might ask yourself now, what is a virtual machine? A virtual machine is basically a simulated computer inside your actual computer. This is also called emulation, but that's another topic. Now, why would we even want to do that? Imagine someone sent you his current code and you want to check its functionality, or maybe you don't trust him not having malicious intent with you. You can keep your main PC safe from any harm related to his code by using a virtual machine. What are our prerequisites? You will need a virtual machine software and an official Windows installation file. Today we will use Oracle's VirtualBox and an ISO file directly from Windows via the Windows Media Creation tool. Furthermore, you'll need to make sure that your PC can actually handle operating two PCs simultaneously. Windows itself wants a 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores, 4 GB of RAM and 40 GB of hard drive storage. If your PC has roughly twice these specifications, you should be fine for at least most basic use cases like office work or testing said code in this virtual machine. Now, let's begin. At first, we will download Oracle's VirtualBox and the Media Creation tool. For this purpose, I'm using the Brave browser, and I already prepared both websites. On the VirtualBox website, we will press the big download button. In my case, it's Windows, so I'm choosing Windows hosts. This will download the setup file for the VirtualBox. The second file we need is the Windows 11 installation assistant. We want the second option. This is the Windows Media Installation tool. Press download and choose where you want to download it. These are all our prerequisites that we need. Now we will start downloading the Windows installation file. There is our user agreement. On this screen we can choose the used language and which edition we want. English, Windows 11. We want the ISO file, where you want to download the ISO file. After you started the download process, it may take quite some while. After it's finished, you'll have a windows.iso file. We will install the VirtualBox. This is just your standard procedure with a license agreement and the setup process. With one exception. Network features like your internet connection will be cut for a moment, but they will also be restored once the installation process is complete. Press next, and after that we press install. This can take quite a while. After it's done, we will see each other again. So now that the installation process is done, we can start the VirtualBox. In this screen, we will press New, enter a name. I will just use Windows 11 now. Then we will choose the ISO we just downloaded and press Next. On this page, we will have to type in how much RAM we want to give. I will just use 4 GB now. And also the amount of cores. I have 16, that's why I will use 4, just that everything runs smoothly. This is the part for the hard drive, and if you remember, I told you that we need at least 40 GB. Now everything's set up. On this screen, we will need to adjust the VRAM because Windows wants 128 MB minimum. Now we can start. If you want to see how to actually install Windows now, just tune in for the second part, which will be coming online shortly after this one. And thank you for your time. Have a nice day.